Hi people, so today's topic will be about making a unit converter. So basically we need to import these all libraries to make the activity makes to function. So for starters I want to talk about the class main activity. This class main activity will basically be the layout of all the activity. We use this modifier to fill them outside and we're going to make like a normal color vacuum like a whitish one, and yeah, that's all. Like, it's only the layout that we use in the app. So later on we make this function. In this function we basically create all the variables to use in the app, and that are mutable because we can change it throughout all the app, and we can manipulate all these little variables to basically make the conversion unions and different. There are output value, input unit, output unit, height, output conversion factor, and another conversion factor. Later on, we are going to make this conversion units, and basically this will be something simple. It will be basically an input value that if it's different to 0, this will basically not make the result, and if it's different to 0, well, it will basically make this like little formula that is very simple. We put the input value and we multiply this by the conversion factor, multiply this by the 100, and later on we divide this by the out conversion factor, that is the conversion factor of the original box right there. Okay, so later on we create some columns. These columns are basically like these little labels that we got right there. Basically, well, I'm going to be fast in this part because it's really simple. It's basically this with like a little bot to make the text that we put right there. So I'm going to basically skip this little parts. Well, we create this text unique converter, and we basically put the text right there. There's a style and material theme, but this is not like an important thing. This is basically only typography. But well, if you want to search some upon the typography, you can do it right there. Later on we create the spacer. The spacer is basically like the little bots that we create. It's like an imaginary space. In this case, it will be of 16 the pixels, I think. And later on we're going to make this outline text field that is basically the outline text field is basically the text field that we're going to put in the spacers, because all of this is connected in the column. All of this column is connected. So basically we put a value into the input value that we will check when we like write a value in the spacer or in the box. We'll basically name this variable with the IT to make it simpler and in all the program. Okay, so we create another spacer to put these two boxes. In the first box we put this button on click expanded tree. Basically it's like there's not like a not expanded version, there's like expanded version. The expanded version will like look up all the variables, and the not expanded will not look up all the variables. This will create an icon. The icon is the array down. It's very simple. Basically all of these are like the little variables that will change the unit converter, like feet, meters, centimeters, and we will get their own conversion values. The same right there with the other box. Very simple to understand. Basically, we create another spacer to the text. In this text, we put the output value, output unit. The site is the typography that we use right there. We're going to use a title medium, good typography, and to end, we're going to make this spacer to basically put the image. We put this with the name of basically sample image. We put the height and his how is his name, and his height. This height will be 200 pixels. That's all. Goodbye.